Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you're a returning subscriber, my name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And if you can't tell by the box that's in my hand, we have a Louis Vuitton unboxing. So let's get into it. Before I get started with today's video, you guys know what to do. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow. I make videos every Friday as well as I'm introducing shorts. I will be making shorts every other day, but my long form content will still be every Friday. So stay tuned for that. You'll have content throughout the week coming from me moving forward. So if you like my content and you want to see me grow, definitely hit that like and subscribe button. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. So as I mentioned, it is a Louis Vuitton unboxing, and full disclosure, it is an SLG. It is a pocket organizer. I don't have this pocket organizer in my collection, hence why I purchased it. And I actually don't have any that is made out of this material. If you know the new collection that just recently dropped, it's been very popular over the last few years. So I was super excited that they finally made a men's version of this material. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I'll let you guys be the first ones to see it because you guys really did like that last time. So I did order this one online. Opening it up, this is what we got. Okay. Nice receipts as well as the item itself. It does come in this small box right here. Let's go ahead and just get right into it. I'm super excited to see what this looks like. This is the dust bag, and I'll let you guys be the first ones to see it. Can you guys see it? Let me get a little bit closer. Okay, so this is the dust bag. Opening it up. Give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek first. Can you guys see what it is? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Taking it out. It is the multicolor denim pocket organizer. What it looks like. The back and the inside is this very cool brown lining, and it does have a special hot stamp on there, as well as this is from the pre-summer 2025 collection. And one thing that I did notice is it doesn't have a back pocket similar to other pocket organizers. Unfortunately, when I was ordering this piece, there wasn't that many photos, so I wasn't able to see all of the characteristics of the wallet. I personally really do love the back pocket of the pocket organizer. I'm not sure why some of these limited edition collections Louis Vuitton decides to go without them, but that's neither here nor there. Absolutely love this. Again, it does have 3 card slots, one here as well, and then 2 slit pockets. Absolutely love this piece. This is the textile card that it comes with, as well as the product code and name. So this is the Pocket Organizer Lovers Denim. This is what it looks like. Front, back, inside is actually made out of leather. And then the glazing is this really cool red color. A little bit different than the red glazing from other pieces. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm so happy I was able to add this pocket organizer into my collection. This rounded out to number 34. Wow, saying that out loud is quite insane. But if you like this kind of content and you want to see more, definitely hit that like and subscribe button. And I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye for now.